coming. Bay 3 is clear. Bring it in.
The powerful overhead drum magnet spins rapidly, pulling out harmful ferrous contaminants. The metal is then scraped away into the reject bin.
This is the first crack, a pivotal moment where the beans expand rapidly, releasing moisture and creating the distinct
flow rate is optimal. We should hit capacity in 60 seconds.
Noted. Sequence complete.
The countercurrent system is crucial. Fresh water hits the spent grounds here, while the concentrated extract moves.
The massive continuous screw press efficiently squeezes out the residual water, extruding relatively dry coffee cake while dirty water flows from the screens.
Inside the centrifuge, thousands of Gs of force separate the heavy solids from the clarified liquid.
The clarified extract is pumped into the top of the first stage evaporator. Thin.
Through a large sight glass on the evaporator vessel, the coffee extract is seen boiling violently.
The flow rate is stable now. We are capturing the peak essence.
The concentration is excellent. Mission accomplished.
The hot, thick coffee concentrate passes through a plate heat exchanger to cool down rapidly before storage, preventing flavor degradation.
Just before the high-pressure pumps, the captured aroma distillate is injected back into the concentrate stream via...
Inside the spray tower, the coffee concentrate is blasted through a nozzle, meeting a swirling inferno of 250 degrees Celsius air. The fluidary bed ensures precise agglomeration, crucial for the final product's consistency. The airflow must remain constant.
The finished, sieved coffee granules are gently conveyed via dense phase pneumatic transport into final product.
As the jars are inverted, high-pressure ionized air jets blast the inside, ensuring the removal of any foreign particles before the filling process.
The system automatically applies a shipping label and sprays the coating onto the side of the box in one continuous motion.
This is our digital twin visualization. It tracks all 20,000 pallet locations in real time, corresponding.
Bill of lading, please. Okay, destination Osaka, still intact. You are cleared for exit. Have a safe trip.
Here in the central lab, we utilize both chemical analysis and sensory evaluation to ensure every batch meets our rigorous standards.
According to the schematic, this bearing needs to be seated before we install the impeller.
Okay, I'll align it now. Did the vibration analysis report come back yet?
Changes. Our advanced on-site treatment facility ensures all process water is thoroughly cleaned.
The parameters look stable at 180 degrees. Yield is consistent.
Good. The particle size seems much better.
Did you try the chicken today?
It's better than yesterday, but the mac and cheese is where it's at.